Hello everyone, my name is Deni Kiro and I'm a personal fashion stylist based in London. Welcome to my styling channel. Today I'm gonna take you behind the scenes and I will show you how I prepare for a styling session. I'm creating a resort wear capsule wardrobe for one of my clients. So I will show you spring summer looks which are suitable for holiday and vacation, as well as a few city styles which are good for your summer look in town. When we talk about summer style, I always recommend to opt for styles which are suitable for both the city you live in as well as holiday and like holiday destinations basically. Of course, there will be a few items which are strictly beach wear or strictly holiday, like kaftans and so on. But the biggest percentage of your wardrobe should be suitable for both kind of environments really. So you make the most of the clothes you pick. So all the clothes I selected today actually could be styled in town. They're picked for a lady who lives in London, so she can do a city look and she can restyle them for her summer holidays as well. And this is what you should do as well to make the most of your clothes. Let me take you through my selection and what I picked for her. I'm gonna start with the handbags. So I have a few today. The first one is white bag for summer. To me, this is a really good summer staple accessory, and it's always nice to have a plain, simple design which goes with everything in your wardrobe. Like a simple white bag is as versatile as a black bag, and I think everyone should have it in your wardrobe. So I have a few styles today. I have more casual summer style, like a minimalist design, very simple and elegant, and a few on-trend looks like the baguette style, and this is actually quite funky, so I'm gonna show you how it looks. Goes with my outfit today. And you know, accessory like this really elevates your look. So these two colors are picked in relation to my client's clothes, so they will kind of elevate the looks and they will go with every single item. It's a common misconception that you need to get a really plain color in, for example, black to go with everything. No, you can have a backing color and it could be as versatile as a black bag if the color is chosen well to complement your capsule wardrobe. So we have these two bags from Chloe, which are perfect size. You can style this crossbody or cocktail bag in the evening for dinners, and this shade is stunning. Then I have a few accessories. Now pearls are really in, so I have a few pearl styles, drop earrings for the floral dresses I will show you in a bit, a few chains. We will layer the necklaces, so there are a few like shorter ones like chokers, snake necklace, chain ones, so we'll kind of mix and match them, and a few beaded necklaces which are really good for the summer. You can wear them of course for your resort look and holiday look, but also in the city, and style them with a little white dress or tailoring to make the look more summery. So we have quite a few. I'm gonna mix and match them into different looks, and also some sunglasses. So this season, having shades with some sort of color is really in, and particularly this pair from Chloe. I think it's very cool because it has the ombre style. It's actually two colors, but you don't read that from distance. So something lighter and different from the classic black pair. So if you already have a classic white or black pair of frames, I would definitely recommend looking into a statement style. Then shoes. I always talk about shoes and how important they are to create your wardrobe. Now today I don't have many because this is one of my regular clients, so she already has quite a few pairs at home, but we are gonna add a few summer pairs of shoes for her holiday wardrobe. So I have this pair of slides, and I also have a pair of espadrilles from Chloe in pink, so it will go actually quite nice with the bags. And then in terms of resort wear bags, I always recommend some sort of like raffia or straw bag during the day or for the beach, or clutch for the evening, or maybe even, you know, if you go to a beach club and you want to go to the bar to order a drink or coffee and you don't want to carry the big bag, then what you can do is have this one inside the big one and use this as a purse with your kind of beach look. the two city style bags, which is a simple white bag to go with everything and a pop of color to add accent to your outfit, and then the resort bags, which of course you can wear in London as well. Like, this is so wearable for the park or during the day, and so is the small clutch. So to me, these are the 4 types of bags kind of everyone needs in their wardrobe, and of course you can adapt the style to your style personality and the colors as well to match your wardrobe. And now we're going to the clothes rail. So I have quite a few beautiful dresses at the moment. Vintage florals are really in, so it's volume with the sleeves. So I have a few simple ones for the beach, then a few basics. I always talk how important are basics. So if you prefer smart style, for example, this is a good alternative for white t-shirt because it's in silky fabric, but it gives you the same function when you build the outfit, the same function as a white t-shirt. And then this shade of pink is really interesting, like a bubblegum pink, very in but also timeless if it works with your complexion. So we have a few basics like that. We have like a linen blend blazer, which is a good fabric for spring summer, and this blazer actually is light pink, but when you mix it with different colors it could look more beige or more pink depending on what you layer underneath. Oh, this is interesting. So this is from Sleepers, and it's kind of beach cover, very light. Also, you do have a set of cords, like cords are really in. This set of cords, like a yellow top and a matching shorts for the beach, but also, you know, if you do a city break, you can do this with espadrilles or sandals. A lace dress for the summer or the beach. So how I'm gonna style this one is probably with the pop of color in the form of a hair accessory, and perhaps I will do the raffia bag as well. Jeans. So I have quite a few pairs of jeans. Today we are on the search for the perfect fit, and sometimes finding the perfect fit takes time and takes trying different brands and different cuts. So today we are gonna take that extra time and try quite a few styles to find the perfect pair. I always do that with clients who want to try a new style when it comes to denim. So we have a blue wash, which is a good staple for summer, and white jeans, again a very good staple for summer. If you want to find out what are the key wardrobe staples for spring summer, make sure to check my free webinar on spring summer essentials, which is available on my YouTube channel. There you will find my entire list of essential basic clothes for spring summer, as well as my formula on how to create the perfect capsule wardrobe. And a little note about my outfit of the day. I'm wearing Vampire's Wife blouse with the most beautiful sleeve detail. I'm in love with that piece, and I styled it with a pair of trousers from Other Stories and link earrings from Miss Toma. So this is my look of the day. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please leave a comment. What is your favorite piece from my edit? If you want to work one-to-one with me, I do styling sessions in London, which are in person, as well as online sessions, so you can get styles from anywhere in the world. I will include details in the description of this video if you want to book your free initial style consultation with myself. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe and share, and stay tuned for my next video.